Hey guys, right now I'm watching Harry Potter and the Birthday Weekend on Freeform, The Prisoner of Azkaban. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. I love Harry Potter. I don't know what that was. I'm just gonna stop now. Okay. I'm just gonna stop.
It's the Dementor.
Hi, I'm at this restaurant called the Inlet View, and my dinner is fries and little popcorn chip, and it's really good so far. So, oh yeah, and that's puppies. Yeah. So this is what I'm having today, and it's super good. This is the popcorn chip. Yeah. Oh, it's super good. So, yeah. Hi, this is us again at the Inlet View. Do you want to show them what you're having for dinner?
So, I have a grilled cheese.
Do you have anything else?
A grilled cheese. Here it is. Fries. Yummy fries with ketchup. And my mom got salad, so I used her cucumber, and I dipped it in with ranch dressing.
I just got this on the computer.
And
That was a mistake.
and
Sorry. Can I wipe this up too?
a hot chocolate. No, chocolate. And then water.
Mom,
Chocolate,
can you
milk,
please
and then water.
So we're gonna make another video in a second. So bye. Bye. So that's what we're having for dinner. And Nick, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna lift this up, but I'm not gonna drop it. So this is outside. This is the inlet and the swamps and stuff and the marshes.
Fishing.
Yeah, and some seagulls and stuff. I don't know if you've been seeing any.
big boat.
Oh, there's a seagull over there on that post over there.
There's games over there.
Yep.
And then there's a shark over there.
Yeah.
And then there's this big boat.
Yeah. So, yeah, that is what it's like here, and we're having a lot of fun, and we like our dinner shrimp a lot. So, bye.